Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Grow with Maria again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload your videos onto YouTube step by step. Whether you're a beginner or just a fresher, I've got you all covered, so let's get started. First of all, before you can upload your videos, you need to go to your Google account and go to your YouTube homepage, www.youtube.com. You click in the enter button. From the enter button, it comes straight away to your YouTube page. And then you go to the right hand top corner there on your icons where your picture or your profile name is. You click on it and then you go to your YouTube page, which is here. That is your channel. And then you see the top button here where it says the plus sign and create. You click on create. So there is a drop down button here for you to select. So you got upload videos, go live, or create a post. We are not doing those two. So we are uploading a video. So you click on upload videos and then you wait for it to come. And then this button down here where it says select file, you select to try and download your video. So my video is here. I double click it. Double click and wait for it to download. Voila, is there. Now to set up the video uploading. So first you make sure your title is already there, the details, your name, the name of your channel is there, the details is already there. And this is your description. Make sure the description matches the video you're uploading. That's my video there, is already uploaded. Thumbnail is a key point. Make sure your thumbnail is eye-catchy. So I've created one already. So just double click my thumbnail, double click. What's happening? Okay, it's showing me, it says to open. Voila, my thumbnail is there. So we go down, created a thumbnail. Now you come to your playlist. Playlist is what you want people to play, watch, what can follow, what people. Playlist is a key point as well when you want to grow on YouTube. So these are all my playlists. If you want, you can add. If you want to add playlists, you come to this new and then you say new playlist, then you can type. But I'm not creating any new playlist, so I'll leave it there. So you can either add any of these playlists where I'm not doing today. So let me just say I'll put 1, 2, 3 playlist and say done. And then we go down to the audience. Your audience is a very important key area as well. So it shows here if your video is made for kids or if it's not made for kids. So make sure you click the right button. If your videos is made for kids, you click the kids one. But remind you, if you click on kids only and if you upload any videos that is inappropriate for children, your channel will be at risk of being deleted by YouTube. So make sure you click the right one. So ideally, it's advisable to click on not made for kids. So you click on the show more. Show more will give you more option down. Pay promotion if your videos, you receive any payment from your videos, which I guess you won't, at your starting, you won't get paid yet. So you leave that one open. Ultra contact, if your contact, you use somebody else's footage, which is not a real, or you're using AI or robot or anything, which I know at the moment we are not. So you click in no. Is your original contact. You are the one that develop it. Chapters, also make sure this setting is on. Allow automatic chapters and key moments. Allow automatic plays, that is the places that you're shooting the videos, is very key as well. Allow concept as well, make sure this is on. Tags as well is a very key point. Make sure your hashtags are there. Your hashtags are the one that people will be able to search for you. And also when you have tags on your video, This will allow YouTube to recommend your videos to people who are searching for those. So it's very important to add tags on your video. You go to your language setting, wherever you are, which language, because I'm in the UK, so I use English language UK. If you click on the drop down buttons, it gives you a choice of language that you can choose from. So it depends wherever you are, what language you want to choose. So you can choose from that drop down. So caption, I don't use this one. Recording date is up to you if you want to write the date that you do your recording. For me, I always leave it blank. License, make sure this is set to standard YouTube license. If it's not, make sure you correct it to standard YouTube channel. And then you've got the allowed embedding and publish to subscription feeds, notify subscribers. Make sure these two are on as well. This will allow YouTube to recommend your videos to your subscribers as well. Short remixing, this is very important. There will come a time maybe you want to remix your videos to short as well. So make sure that the first one, allow videos and audios remixing. So make sure that one is on. Category is the most important thing as well. So your category would show what is your channel is for, who is your channel is for. For me, it's a tutorial channel, so that's why it's how to style, how to do everything. If yours is for cars and vehicle, or comedy, or education, or entertainment, film or animation, gaming, music, news or politics, non-profit and activists, or people and bloggers, pets and animals, science and technology, sport or travel and events, make sure you choose the right category of your videos. What your videos is teaching about, make sure you choose the right one. Mine is how to, because it's how to do this, how to do that. That is why mine is for. So you come to comment, make sure your comments are on. It will allow people to comment on your videos. And then if you want, you can do this top or bottom. For me, I always leave it as top or newest, so I leave it that way. And make sure this button is on as well. This will allow you to know how your viewers, how they like it. You show how many viewers like this video, so it will tell you. So voila. So then now you go to next. So you've done this side, all this is done. Then you go to next. So now this is about your video elements. So add subtitle. Do you want to add subtitle? For me, I leave this on. I leave it open. Add cards. If you want to add cards as well, that one I will show you maybe another video. I'll do another tutorial for add cards. So I'm not bothering with this one, the elements. So now we go to next. So next, check for copyright. If your videos, whatever you recorded, if it's copyright. So it says here, copyright, no issue found. So then we go to next. Now is the visibility. How do you want to upload your videos? Do you want to upload it as a private? If you click on private, it means nobody will see your videos, only you, only yourself. As it says there, only you and people who you choose can watch your video. That is if you click on private. If you click on unlisted, anyone with the video link can watch your video. So it's not everybody that will see it, only chosen people and yourself. If you click on public, everyone can watch your video. And if you click on set as instant premiere, that is, you choose a time when it will go public. But if you go to schedule, if you go to reschedule, this is where you can choose a date or time, what date you want it to go and what time and what zone. And immediately you set it as premiere. When that time comes, it will go immediately public. It will automatically go public. That is, before you publish, check the following. No children appear in this video. Those are the things you need to find out first before you can publish your video. no children appear in this video, make sure that you follow you follow the YouTube guidelines. You need to follow the YouTube guidelines before you can upload it. So voila, if you say schedule, because I haven't choose anything, because I'm not uploading this video, the main video I wanted to upload, it wasn't the one that it wouldn't allow me to upload it on the laptop. So I'm not uploading this video. So now you go to save. So this is it's there. But because I don't want to upload this video, it's not the intended one, so I'm going to delete it later on because I didn't intend. So now you see your video has appeared on your channel, and it will go up immediately when you decided to show it up. So voila, this is it. You've created your video step by step. So voila, that is it. You've uploaded your first video ever. So please let me know in the comment section below if you find this very helpful, and please don't forget to subscribe for more tips so that whenever I uploaded new videos, you will be the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Take care now.